Right, so for all of those of you who are thinking behavioural management is a good career, behavioural and support management, tell you it's not. And well, let's turn around and what have we got here? We have one police car there, and there's another police car. So at the moment, I have 2 police cars. I have 4 police cars, 5 police cars here, and oh God, that's my little car there. We're doing a photo shoot for his mum and dad to prove that he gets out and does stuff, and now he's got out and done stuff. So if you think you're doing behavioural management, guys, seriously, this is what you can expect will happen to you from time to time. Oh, they've lost him. I'll find him. He can't go far. I feel useless because I can't participate with the police. I'll turn this camera around maybe and just have a little look. There. That's the flood water. I'm going to cut this video short. Go back to my little car. Completely unsuitable. Alright guys, you've been warned. Right. Okay, flashing lights everywhere. That's what behavioural management is. Don't do it. Do not do it. It's a shit job. You'll hate it. Pays alright, you'll hate it. Okay, bye. I'm working Woolworths, okay? It's the better option. Of the two, it's the better option.